In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a player on chess.com. Keeping games fair and respectful makes chess.com better for everyone, and the built-in reporting tool is the fastest way to flag problems. Here's how to use it clearly and confidently. First, go to the player's profile. If your game has ended, you can find them through your completed games list and open their profile from there. If you're still in a live game or just finished one, you can click their name during or right after the game to reach the same profile page. Either route gets you to the player's profile, which is where the reporting option lives. Once you're on their profile page, look for the More button. It's usually shown as three dots or a small icon near the top of the profile. Click that button to open the menu with additional actions. From that menu, select Report. This will open the reporting interface and guide you to choose why you're reporting the player. Next, choose the category that best fits the issue you experienced. For example, if the person stalled or quit multiple times to waste time or avoid a loss, select Stalling Quitting Games. If the concern is about harassment, insults, or other inappropriate conduct, choose Abuse/Bad Behavior. Pick the most accurate category so the review team can quickly understand what happened. You'll see a text box where you can include a brief explanation. Keep it factual and specific. Describe what happened, note the game context, and mention any relevant details that help the team assess the situation. You'll also see an option to block the user. Blocking is helpful if you don't want to receive messages, challenges, or interactions from that player going forward. It doesn't affect your report, but it does give you immediate control over your experience. When you're ready, click the Report button. Your report goes directly to the chess.com Abuse and Fair Play teams for review. They handle reports privately, and you may not always see a visible outcome, but rest assured that they investigate and take action when appropriate. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Report only genuine violations, avoid engaging with bad behavior, and remember that one clear report is more effective than multiple repeated ones. Using the reporting tool appropriately helps the community stay welcoming and competitive. That's it. You've now learned how to report a player on chess.com quickly and effectively while protecting your own experience and helping keep the platform fair for everyone.